So we are about to hitch up and leave from New Hampshire to head to Maine. We woke up really early. We were all excited about leaving, and our hydraulic jack system won't go down beyond a certain point. So that's a problem because we can't actually hitch the truck. It's just slightly too high to actually hitch up and move. This is one of the frustrating things with moving your vehicle, your home. If you're trying to leave and something goes wrong like this, we're kind of stuck here right now. We're out of water, we need to dump. We have reservations at our next location, which is about 4 hours away. So we want to be on the road and we don't want to be stuck here trying to figure out what to do. And also, if you kind of look around, it's a beautiful view, but today is like a really gloomy, cold, it's like 60 degrees out and it's 10 in the morning. It's like misting, so it's just not, it's not great weather. We'd rather be warm in our car, not trying to fix the RV. So,
good morning. We're on the top of Mount Washington. Our landing gear, which is what moves the trailer up and down to allow us to connect to the trailer hitch inside of the truck and leave, does not want to come all the way down. It'll go up, it'll come down, but it won't come down all enough for us to connect. So now I've tried everything, called the dude at Lippert. He told me to make sure that the battery system is at least 12.75 volts. It normally sits around 13.4 if it's fully charged. So did that the first night. I thought we fixed the problem. We didn't. We did it again today as we're now trying to leave. Got it up to 13 volts and it still wouldn't come down. Long story short, I'm going to show you how to manually lower your Lippert hydraulic landing jacks. The tools you're going to need to manually lower your Lippert hydraulic front loading gear and or your leveling system: a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, a Allen key to open the stuck valve, and a flashlight so you can actually see what the heck you're doing underneath the bay, which is where all this stuff is located. All right, now depending on which Lippert hydraulic system you have, all of this stuff I'm about to show you could be in a different area completely. So always call Lippert and have them send you the user manual. They'll do it in PDF. Dude did it for me yesterday. And just make sure you have the right instructions for your coach. My problem area happens to be, not there, inside of one of our propane holding tanks. This is the hydraulic jack, the top of it at least. And this is a electronic solenoid back there where you see these white and gray wires coming out. So the first thing we got to do is disconnect that plug to remove power from the solenoid itself. Go ahead. All right, bam, disconnected. No more power to the solenoid. Get that out of the way. Now you take your 5/32 hex wrench and you're going to manually open the valve. That way it stays open. How you do that is you put the hex wrench in front of this thing and you twist it to, well, you twist it clockwise as if you're looking in front of it. So you stick it in there and twist it clockwise. And it'll eventually, after you turn it a few times, lightly seat. Don't crank it because then you're going to get it stuck open completely and you're going to be screwed. Now, from there, we're back up front and underneath the tongue area of our fifth wheel trailer. The rest of this project is going to be inside in here. This is the hydraulic system. This guy right here, this little black cylinder up there with these two, with the black and orange wires coming out of the front of it with the reservoir at the bottom, that's the pump. Now we're going to have to manually actuate the pump using our drill and 1/4 inch bit. All right, so what we're gonna put the drill is actually right here. You can kind of see it with those crosshairs and stuff. That's a little protective cover sticker that Lippert puts onto the top of the motor to tell you how to manually do it. Clockwise is to lower and counterclockwise is to raise. So here we go. And there you have it. We are going down slowly but surely. Going down. Bam. Now we can hitch and then raise them the rest of the way. Got the jacks up, we're connected to the truck, we're almost ready to pull out of here. But once you're done doing your manual retraction or extension, you're going to want to reverse your steps and put the solenoid back together. Close the valve on the electronic solenoid and re-plug in the plug. Now from here, you might want to take it to a dealership, try to figure out exactly what the heck's going on. When we get to the next campsite, we're just going to cross our fingers and hope that it was just some fluke thing. We're going to reset everything. So take your Allen key, put it in, and twist counterclockwise to close the valve. Until it just lightly seats. You don't want to go cranking on this. And we're closed and done. Now, after you've got that closed, take your electronic connector, plug it back in to the plug on the solenoid. That's it. You just manually retracted your Lippert LCI hydraulic landing gear.